Another thing that comes up frequently, and I know some of my colleagues will know I've brought this up, is the issue of coercion in fieldwork. When you're doing long-term fieldwork, it's very difficult to be coercive because people hear about it very quickly, and other folks don't want to work with you. It's very difficult to put pressure on people to do things they don't want to do. For example, they'll just give you bad information if they don't trust you. It takes a long time to win people's trust. It takes a long time for them to tell you what you really need to know and not what you're asking, which are often two very different things. And so my experience with it is that the opposite tends to happen to what we expect. It's very difficult sometimes for researchers to coerce subjects. It becomes easier for subjects to coerce researchers. That is, because somebody's PhD project is entirely contingent upon working with this group, that person can actually become quite subordinated to the power structures that are in that group. And I become more worried about the ethical implications of project capture. That is, when powerful actors in the field actually capture the project in some ways, for whatever reasons they have. Maybe for good reasons. Maybe they actually want the story of their community to get out, but they can capture the researcher because of the need. So coercion is an incredibly important issue in research ethics and ethnographic practice, but it's not necessarily that the people from the wealthy institutions who have the agreement of the head of the organizations are in a position to coerce subjects. In my experience, fieldwork requires active support and repeated engagement, and these tend to mitigate against coercion. If my informants don't want to come along with my project, not only do they give me short answers to my questions, but they never invite me to the activities I need to see. They never bring me along to the things, they never invite me to the funeral that I need to go to see that's going to help make my project. So I would say that the idea that I think we have to talk with students who are going to do this kind of work in a very subtle way about thinking about how they're going to win that trust and win that engagement with the community.